Nuts are a highly nutritious snack packed with healthy fats, fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. However, not all nuts are created equally when it comes to health benefits. In this video, I am going to tell you detailed breakdown of 4 nuts you should eat regularly and 4 you might want to limit or avoid due to their potential negative effects on health. 4 nuts you should eat. Number 1, almonds. Almonds are one of the best nuts for heart health. They are rich in monounsaturated fats, which help reduce LDL bad cholesterol levels, improving overall cardiovascular health. They also provide a great amount of vitamin E, which is a potent antioxidant that supports skin health and immune function. High in protein, fiber, magnesium, and vitamin E. Almonds also contain calcium and potassium, helping to maintain bone health and regulate blood pressure. They are best for weight management, heart health, and maintaining healthy skin. Number 2, walnuts. Walnuts are rich in omega 3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and support brain health. Omega 3s are also beneficial for heart health by improving blood flow and reducing cholesterol. They contain antioxidants such as polyphenols, which have anti inflammatory property. Walnuts are also high in fiber and protein. They are best for cognitive function, inflammation reduction, and heart health. Number 3, pistachios. Pistachios are one of the lower calorie nuts, making them an excellent option for those watching their weight. They are also high in antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which support eye health. Pistachios contain protein, healthy fats, fiber, and a variety of vitamins and minerals, including B vitamins and potassium. The high fiber content can aid in digestion and blood sugar control. They are best for weight management, eye health, and digestive function. Number 4, cashews. Cashews are rich in magnesium, which plays a vital role in supporting muscle function, nerve transmission, and energy production. They are also a good source of zinc, which is important for immune function. Cashews are lower in fat compared to some other nuts but still contain healthy monounsaturated fats. They also have a good amount of copper, which helps with red blood cell production and collagen formation. They are best for muscle and nerve function, immune support, and overall health. 4 nuts you should not eat. Number 1, macadamia nuts. While macadamia nuts are delicious, they are extremely high in calories and fats, especially saturated fats. Excessive intake of saturated fats can contribute to weight gain and may increase the risk of heart disease if consumed in large amounts. While they contain some beneficial monounsaturated fats, the high calorie density can make it easy to overeat them. They are best for weight control and those monitoring cholesterol levels. Number 2, Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts are extremely high in selenium, an essential mineral, but consuming too many can lead to selenium toxicity. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts can provide the recommended daily amount of selenium, so consuming too many could be harmful over time. While they are rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, the selenium content is too high for regular consumption without risking toxicity. To avoid selenium overload and associated health risk. Number 3, peanuts. Peanuts are technically legumes, not true nuts, and they often contain aflatoxins, toxins produced by mold that can grow on peanuts while they are properly stored. These toxins have been linked to liver damage. While peanuts are high in protein, they can also be high in omega 6 fatty acids, which, when consumed in excessive relative to omega 3s, may promote inflammation in the body. They are best for those concerned about mold exposure and those with inflammation issues or imbalance in omega fatty acids. Number 4, chestnuts. Chestnuts are lower in fats compared to most other nuts, but they are also relatively low in protein and fat, which makes them less nutrient dense compared to other options. While they are a good source of carbohydrates, they are not as rich in healthy fats and proteins as other nuts. Chestnuts are mainly a source of starch and carbohydrates, which may not be suitable for people on low carb diets or those trying to increase their intake of healthy fats. They are best for those on high fat or low carb diets seeking higher protein and fat content from nuts. In conclusion, while most nuts are great for health in moderation, it's essential to be mindful of protein sizes and choose those that best suit your health goals. The nuts you should eat, like almonds, walnut, pistachios, and cashews, are rich in healthy fats and protein and other nutrients. On the other hand, Nuts like macadamias, Brazil nuts, peanuts, and chestnuts may pose challenges to excess due to high calorie content, potential toxins, or lower nutritional density.